In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a cashback reward account in QuickBooks. Whether you're just starting out on QuickBooks or looking to streamline your financial entries, this process will help ensure that your cashback rewards are properly accounted for in your financial records. First things first, let's navigate to QuickBooks. Open your preferred web browser and enter the QuickBooks website URL or click on the link provided in this video's description. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in with your credentials to access your account's dashboard. Now that we're on the QuickBooks dashboard, the next step is to locate and click on the Chart of Accounts. This section is crucial because it serves as the backbone of your company's financial records within QuickBooks. Here, you can view, organize, and manage all of your individual accounts. Once you've accessed the Chart of Accounts, look for the option to create a new account. This is typically labeled as New, and when you click on it, a new window or sidebar will appear, presenting various fields to be filled out for your new account. In the Account Name field, type in Cashback Reward. Clearly naming your account helps maintain organized records, making it easier to track and report on your cashback rewards over time. Next, you will want to click on Highlight. This selection ensures that the entry field is active and ready for the next steps in this process. Taking these small, mindful steps helps reduce errors in your accounting records. Following that, click on Income. It's important to categorize your cashback as income, as these rewards typically represent a reduction in your business expenses or additional income, depending on your accounting policies. Proper categorization is key for accurate financial reporting and tax filing, so ensure that you follow this step carefully. Once again, confirm the selection with a click on Highlight. Double-check to ensure everything appears as expected before finalizing your entries. Careful review can save you time in correcting mistakes later. Finally, go ahead and click on the designated entry for Cashback Reward. This confirmation step concludes the process, making sure that this setting is now incorporated into your accounting records. With all these steps completed, your Cashback Reward account is successfully set up in QuickBooks. Your rewards will now be properly tracked, offering clear insights into how they impact your finances. Remember, keeping your accounts well organized and accurately categorized is crucial for efficient financial management. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.